Metadata Utility, Data Management. From the main switchboard, click on Merge Generator Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility Merge Switchboard, which will bring us to the main Metadata Utility Merge Switchboard, in which we have the main 4 functionality features that enable users full control to manage their entire Windows Media Center movie library. This is to enable users to add, edit, update, and delete not relevant information from their Windows Media Center movie detail information, as well as to download movie CoverArt for their Windows Media Center movie library. We already have detailed videos for each of these functionalities. So for this video, we're having a quick overview just to basically allow users to have an idea of these main 4 functionalities. Starting with the first one, called WMC XML Profile Cache, designed to mainly synchronize existing metadata movie information with their Windows Media Center movie library. The second functionality, called WMC XML Generate, which is designed to either add new movie detail information for new movies or edit existing movies and resynchronize that information with their Windows Media Center. The third functionality is called Download CoverArt, which enables users to download thumbnails to display on their Windows Media Center movie library. And the fourth functionality built in Metadata Utility, called WMC Merge, which is a more granular step-by-step process that allows users to control and generate specific records for their Windows Media Center movie library. This last 4th functionality, WMC Merge, is primarily used and designed for users that want to have an advanced users that want to have a granular control of the editing process or management process of their metadata information for their Windows Media Center movie library. The vast majority of our users find that with the first 3 functionalities, either WMC XML Profile Cache or WMC XML Generate or Download CoverArt, since they are fully automated by running any of those 3 previously discussed features, they will have the full integration and display of detailed movie information for their Windows Media Center. But for those users that want to have a specific troubleshooting for a particular movie or particular records, or they are very careful in their update and merge process is that fourth functionality is built in on. Again, we have a detailed video in which we dive into each one of these functionalities as to how to process each one of them. Therefore, we welcome our users to click on those videos, as well as to visit our website, where we have detailed information step by step on these four main functionalities, or four main features that we have built in Metadata Utility, as well as detailed information on a variety of other topics from setup, management, FAQ sections, how-to sections, troubleshooting sections in our website at metadatautility.com. Thank you for watching.